Welcome YouTube. Hi. Michelle.
G'day. Western Australia
Big.
is big.
Some stuff went wrong.
Plenty of stuff went wrong actually. But don't tell anything just yet. In southeast Melbourne, down to just after the Great Ocean Road.
We're going. There's the little Shelly. Our Brick Michelle. Cool, we have a green streak. That's nice. Oh, come on, come on, come on,
It was interesting to see what Daniel would be like on the road.
Could have made that. The green yet? Wow, I have a lot of wheelie power again. All that matters is just safety.
Didn't know what he'd be like on the road either.
Put on your indicators.
And we were like out for 1 minute and I missed the first light and he was really fussy. He was like, "Oi, why didn't you make the light? Blah, 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 turn on your indicator." Hello.
Hi. We're not getting off our bikes because it took us way too long to get on it. Cameron helped us prepare the bikes.
Hi Cameron.
Thank you so much. He has dogs.
That's good.
Don't let him get in front of you and between us. I want to keep you in my visual field.
So you were being protective.
Oh yes, yes, I
Yeah.
was being protected. Oh, that's an accident. Oh, that's just a bumper missing. Wow, is that why everybody slowed down?
30 kilometers takes more than an hour.
Yeah, we were kind of in peak hour too.
How you going, girl? Oh, but me, it's my hands because of the vibration. And my ass is also a little bit numb, actually. Yeah, yeah. Bye bye, Melbourne!
Zombie apocalypse, you have to get out! Well, yeah, well, it's not zombie apocalypse, but you just have to get out of the city and into nature.
Wow! Hoppers Crossing! Swear I started out 575 days ago! Woohoo! Glad I'm gone. Bye!
Not the best place, no offense, guys, if you live there.
First stop at the petrol station, have some late lunch.
Very late lunch.
My longer stand is in the Netherlands.
I'm gonna put my stand down and get off the bike with the struggle, as you can see in the video.
Ah, cutie. I can see you doing acrobatics. I'm recording it.
And some eggs before they were all broken.
Compared to your bike, mine looks tiny, but it still looked big from that angle.
Same
Anyway.
bike.
5 minutes till destination.
DR650s,
Suzuki's.
the best. Get one.
So for our travels we used Wikicamps, which is an awesome app. You can sort on any kind of campgrounds. You can go 4-wheel drive access, tents, alligators, fishing, and you see all the comments, you see the pictures, how it was, and it's an awesome app to have while you're traveling.
Around the Otway Bay National Park in Victoria. A little cold, but you get the beautiful ferns. Got in late. Everyone had already set up their tent. Turns out campers, caravan people, they like to arrive at their destinations early. And
Since we already pissed some people off, we blew the stand up by mouth. Not advisable. I'm making some nice 2-minute noodles here with added chicken. And this is a pump petrol fuel stove. It's very convenient, so you just drain some fuel from your bike and you're good to go the whole time. And when the water is boiled, toss in some yum.
Michelle eating noodles. What did you say? It's what?
We enjoyed our noodles next to the river, very far away from everyone, so we would not wake them. Well, we already woke them. But anyhow, we didn't want to keep them up longer, so that's why. They have these poles, but if you run into them, it's like door things, you don't break them. It's just attached to the spring.
Morning world!
Or maybe I'll do a week. I don't know. What do you want to see?
We need to know what to do with the next video. So all your opinions down below. Any suggestions for the next one? Write it in the comment section.
We're adventure bike riders and we're going some off-road, we're seeing some nature stuff. Do you want to see that? Do you want to know more technical stuff? Do you want to know more about like what we're thinking? Tell us what you want because this is the first video and whatever you say might help shape how it's going to go.
Like and subscribe if you haven't already in the corner down there. And you can watch that video over there, or departure, or over there, kangaroo adventures or something. That's Abby, dog, the motorbikes. See you guys in the next one, and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.